Cause the girls in the hood are always hard. Ever since 16, I've been having a job, knowing nothing in life, but I gotta get rich. You can check the throwback pics, I've been there. Don't check my throwback pics.
I can let you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it. Gave you the ball, now you traveling. Stop telling me how I should handle it. Got the hands hot like some cannabis. Found me a Paula, then patented it. She said she love that I'm passionate. Showed her your stuff and she laughed at it. Took your opinion, I'm trashing it. I think it's best that I pass on it. Take this track and run it back again. Take this track and run it back again, yeah. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. I can let you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see. Here's so many girls got you on.
Two watches, yeah, coming to timing. Skin like gold and my teeth like diamonds.
Give me a verse and I might leave them shook. They in a hearse every time that I cook. They in a hearse every time that I holla. Home team on my back. Some fault don't like that. Sometimes it's like that. Guess that's my bad. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. I can let you know me, dog.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today it seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know, okay? Your girl is feeling good, feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Yes, because today was a good day. It really was. I'm recording like at 7 o'clock at night. So I've actually had a spectacular day. God is so good. Y'all, I am so blessed and highly favored. Disclaimer before we continue on with the video. Y'all, this video is going to be extra because one, I love the wig. I don't have no cons, okay? I had to drop that bomb early, okay? No cons. And I got my nails did, y'all, so I'm feeling myself. Like, what? Get into these nails, baby. What? Today's video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. They sent me another banging Pixie cut, because we all know I slayed the first one. I'm gonna sit it up here. Y'all see it? I can do that with my editing. I'm gonna sit it right here. You know what I'm saying? All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. And if they send me a coupon code, that'll be listed down there as well. So make sure y'all check out the description box, okay? Because everything be down there. Everything. All right? I had to update it a little bit because I was slacking, but everything be down there. All right. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Yes, y'all. The wig that I am wearing today is their Sharon Tidy Curly Pixie Cut Human Hair Lace Wig. Yes, that is the name. This wig is 13x4 lace front. The lace does come light brown. I have it in an average cap size. Now, y'all. Hello. The price for this unit, is y'all ready? Remember, you determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to teach y'all how to land these wigs, y'all, okay? This is my job. This is it. You determine if the price is right for you. All right, the price for this wig, ain't no starting price. This is the actual price. Is $109, y'all, and 90 cents. As I stated previously, I do not have any cons with this wig at all. None. It is a short pixie cut. I shouldn't have no complaints. If you got a pixie cut and it's giving you hella problems, throw it out. Okay? Ballin'. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the hair, honey. I did not show on camera me styling this wig because I have styled a million, not really, curly wigs on my channel, and I use the same products that I always do. They'll be listed down below in my Amazon store as well. And from beginning to end, this wig was everything. I did shampoo and deep condition this hair, and then I styled it and I let it air dry overnight. And as you saw me fluffing up the curl, the hair isn't hard or crunchy. The curls are defined and popping. Like, what? Come on now, we serving looks with this wig. I believe it's 150, but the correct density will be listed down below. And I live in Kansas, y'all. In Kansas, it is always hot out here, okay? And I did not sweat. I did not get hot. I do think this wig is beginner friendly because I didn't have to do a lot to make this wig lay and slay the way that it is. Like, come on now. Like, y'all, we is serving scalp in these streets. This is my hair. The parting space is very, very natural. I didn't pluck anything. Y'all know I won't go pluck anything anyway. But all I did was apply some pressed powder. And the lace does come light brown, but it was too light for my chocolatey skin. So I did apply some pressed powder underneath the lace and on top of the lace once I laid it down with my bed head. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig is fitting me to a T, but I did have some extra room in the back, so I did go ahead and adjust the strap. This could be a glueless install, but like I said, I live in Kansas and it's windy 24/7, no matter the season. It's always windy. So I like to secure my wigs, okay? Because I be out in these streets telling people that it's my hair. And next thing I know, my wig is gone in the wind, okay? So you can wear this unit glueless. The hairline comes pre-plucked. I did receive a little bit of shedding when styling this wig, but now if I was to run my hands through my hair, I don't receive any shedding at all. Consider this wig a part of my short hair series. I did not forget about that, okay? I just got a lot going on. So y'all already know what time it is. It is time for my subscriber shout outs. Woo woo. Disclaimer, if I don't say y'all names right, shout it to the head and not to the heart. Y'all know I say things wrong all the time. Today we have BJ Jackson. That's my boo. Thank you so much, Miss Jackson, for supporting me, always sending me love. You leave the best comments, yo. Like, I really look forward to your comments, and I love them so much. I love you, boo. Appreciate you. Next, we have Deborah Barrow. I love you, boo. I apologize if I said your last name wrong, but I truly, truly, truly appreciate your comments. You always sending me love and positivity, and you're not afraid to let me know when you don't like a wig. I appreciate realness, and I don't like when people lie to me because I don't lie to myself. Last but not least, we have Tawana's Hair Journey. Tawana tell me every video she loved me. I love you and appreciate you so much. Your comments are always uplifting, and you always tell me God bless and stay safe. Y'all just don't know how much y'all comments mean to me. Y'all, I seriously be in here like, yes, y'all, my husband be like, Lord, here she go. Y'all, I'm a crybaby, okay? But don't tell nobody. That's between me and you. We don't need nobody else, just me and you. Ooh, baby. Once again, a big thank you to Sogoodhair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's that big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. Keep it coming, love. Keep it coming, love. Hey, don't stop it now. Don't stop it, no. Don't stop it now. Hey. Yes, y'all. You do what you want when you pop in. Okay? Okay. Remember that. Y'all take care and God bless. I love each and every one of y'all. Peace.